Hello, today I was just trying out this Ninja to puree some tomatoes for tomato sauce. So let's get started here. So I got this 8-cup container. Has the 3-bladed piece in there. You put it in at an angle, handle points to the side, and then just turn it until it locks. And then you fill it up. When you do the handle, this has got to be up, and then you lock it down all the way till it clicks when you put it on. I'll show you in just a minute. Let's load this up. Okay, so for the handle, you line up these arrows. There's a white arrow right there and a white arrow right here. Just put it on, down, and then click. Powered on. If you did it all right, you locked it in this way, locked in that way, you should see your 2 zeros here, 0 and 0. Let me bring it down so you can see that. So 0 and 0, and you should be able to start her up. If you didn't do it right, you're gonna see 2 dashes on there blinking, and it's not ready to run. So I'm gonna start it here on low, then I'll go to medium, then I'll go to high. See how that goes. All right. So there you have it. And it did really well. One got stuck in the lid there. Push a button to release. There it goes back down. I'll run it one more time. You get this way like this. Lock it in. She's ready to go. Alright, so you have that. You have the pouring spout. Let's come over here and we'll pour it in. There you go. So there you have it. We just did one batch of tomatoes there. The very full, it dropped all the way down to about 5 cups after you pureed it. Go for another batch here. It's ready to go. It's zeroed out. And this is also a timer. It will count up 1, 2 in seconds, 3, 4 as you're going. So here we go. I'll go again. Let's try the pulse this time. Kind of curious what that is, how it works. So pulse is just really a hold. Right, packing that really tight. Actually got about 7.5 cups out of it. There we go. See you blinking Just blinking the dashes since it's not latched in there, right? Okay, I'm gonna chop up some onions here. Let's give this a go. Yeah. All right. Match up the arrows. All right. I'll go for a pulse here, or turn on, and then go for a pulse. So, pulse one right here. See what it looks like. Looks pretty good. It comes with this kneading blade. Then you have a cup. You have 2 cups. One a blender for the 2 cups. You got the 2 lids for the cups. So the lid there, and then you got the blender piece there. So you could do 2 drinks there. That's pretty much the setup. Pretty easy to use. You just need to read about the programs. It has a smoothie, ice crusher, extract, chop, and dough for all the different options of pre-programmed settings.